you go. Hopefully checked off Nevada right now. I'm on my way up to Lake Tahoe. Gonna get some waves hopefully on the bug and some face shots on my snowboard.
The exit.
74. It's crazy. Driven this road so many times, but yet have I driven it to go bodyboarding. This view never gets old. Look at that. Still kind of mind boggled that I'm going to get waves on one of these lakes up here in the Sierras. Boogie 50, Nevada, hopefully we check it. Gonna be waves in this thing tomorrow or the next day or the next couple days. Here's the spot. We'll see. There's the waves. Captain download. Download. Sweet little honey bee, Lord, you got the sweet on me. Sweet little honey bee, well, you're my queen bee. Ooh, she rocked me to my soul. Yeah, she rocked me to my soul. Ooh, she rocked me to my soul. Yeah, she rocked me to my soul. Shake it in the honey pot. In the pot is what she got. Honey in the honey pot. In the pot is what she got.
Oh, look at that truck.
Ooh, she rocked me to my soul. Yeah, she rocked me to my soul. Ooh, she loved me to my soul. Yeah, she rocked me to my soul.
Oh, you're out there, dude. The big level up. That's where the best.
They don't have a fucking leash rope. shake and
Snowboard
run.
move, shoe lady.
Watch her, she's having fun. Watch she can shake and run in the sun. Having
Are you psyching? Psyching as a
she locked me
champion.
to my soul.
Dude, it's I'm psyched to knock it out.
Ooh, she loved me to my soul. Yeah, she rocked me to my soul.
How's that poster interview? I saw you gonna drop me, but I missed it, dude. I'm sorry. Merry Christmas, huh?
Dude, after the music.
Happy holiday.
The music. Oh, you get a little pop. There's a lot of snow. Just a little bit.